It's courgette season right now in the Northern Hemisphere, and I love finding and sharing new delicious ways to use up the inevitable abundance that courgettes give. Welcome to Freedom Forest, guys, the 3-acre edible oasis that we're creating here in the south of England, where we like to try lots of new things and push the boundaries with what we can grow using permaculture and no-dig methods. Absolutely no chemicals, weed killers or synthetic fertilisers, just what nature provides. We always look forward to courgette season and we really rely on them as a summer staple. And today I'm going to share one of our favourite courgette recipes, Courgette Pizza Sauce. Now, our courgettes aren't yet as abundant this year as they normally are due to the drought that we're experiencing here in the south of England, and also due to some mould damage tunnelling under the roots of our courgettes. But we are still hoping that our plants will come right before the end of the season and give us a good late crop. But for now, we have got enough courgettes to be enjoying some of our favourite recipes. So this is a really easy recipe to make. And it's great because you can also make it up in big batches to freeze and then have it to use throughout the whole of the season. And the result is kind of a chunky garlic pizza, which we absolutely love. Or you can thin the sauce and use it to stir through pasta. All you need is about 1 pound or roughly 500 grams of grated courgette, approximately 50 grams or quarter of a cup of finely grated hard cheese. Our favourite for this recipe is Volife's Mediterranean Block, which is a plant-based Parmesan type cheese, but it does work with any type of cheese. About 4 cloves or more of garlic, depending on your taste. You'll need a good glug of olive oil, some salt, pepper and chili flakes to taste, and a good non-stick pan. And we really love these stoneware style pans. We find them really good. So what we're going to do now is just heat up a good glug of oil in the pan, approximately 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to add our garlic. And we'll just let that cook off for a couple of minutes to begin. Then we'll add our courgette. Give it all a good stir, if you can hear me over the sizzling noise. And now we'll add a really big pinch of salt. And you need quite a lot of salt to draw the fluid out of the courgette. And what we want to do now is let this simmer for about 10 minutes until the courgette starts to break down and it gets quite loose and liquidy. So now you can see the courgette has broken down really nicely and lost its form. We can turn the heat off and add our remaining ingredients. So I'm going to add a bit of black pepper, and a pinch of chili flakes. And you don't have to add the chili, that's completely optional. And then we'll add our plant-based or regular cheese. and stir that all together. And just keep stirring that until your cheese has melted down and everything is mixed together nicely. That is looking really good. And you can see the mixture's going a little bit stickier now. And now all we do is give it a little taste. And you can decide if there is anything more that you'd like to add, depending on your taste. Now I'm just going to pop this courgette sauce into the container whilst I roll out some fresh pizza dough. Then I'm going to smear the courgette sauce all over the pizza dough and we are going to enjoy an epic dinner. The other pizza is topped with homemade tomato paste from last year's frozen batch. This is packed with flavour and it's a recipe that we'll hopefully share soon. We hope you enjoy this recipe and would love to hear your favourite ways that you use courgettes up too, so drop us your ideas in the comments below. If you're a Freedom Forest Patreon, then you'll be able to find the written form of this recipe in our member area of our website too. Thanks for being with us today. It would be awesome if you could give this video the thumbs up and also make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, and we'll catch you here again soon. Peace and plants!